hello everyone. A very warm good morning to all of you. This is me, Tapash Pradhan, a student of the political science, and I would like to welcome to all of you to this session of my YouTube channel. So I hope you are well, fine, and fit, and most have spent this day of Happy New Year. And I am again say to you, wish you a many happy return of the day, and may all the wishes become fulfilled of these days. So today here you can see the screen. We are here to study about the communitarian justice. Okay, so we will study that how this concept of communitarian concept of justice is emerged. Along with also we will see that what does it mean by the communitarian theory of justice in comparison to also liberal theory of justice. We will study in this session. Okay, so this is what our basically objective to learn about that thing. Along with we will also study about Michael Walzer concept of the justice, like sphere of what the justice concept. Okay, so let's start. First of all, what is complex equality and what is the simple equality? When you talk about communitarian justice, there is a scholar like Michael Walzer. Okay, Michael Walzer. Okay, Michael Walzer. So Michael Walzer is a scholar of the communitarian theory of justice, and he gave the concept complex equality. So what do you mean by complex equality? For that you need to a comparison study of the complex equality versus simple equality. Okay, complex equality talk about the community identity. The community identity. Community identity. But on the other hand, if I talk about simple equality, talk about individual identity. Individual identity. Individual identity. So what is complex equality? So complex equality talks about that the rights, that the liberty and the primary good should be given to the people according to the different sphere of the different understanding of the goods and the basically the service. I hope you don't understand these things. My point here that complex equality means says that there is a different sphere, or there is a concept of the understanding the what is right, what is liberty, what is the equality. There is a complex phenomena to understand, because there are different group, different community, and different also we can say that the group or the society. And for that, the understanding the concept of right, liberty, it is complex in nature, and that is what the we should be adhere when we talk about the distribution of rights, liberty, equality should be understand on the basis of the community identity. Okay, community identity, not the individual identity. Simply I can say here to you what is complex equality. That complex equality talk about the distribution of rights, good, service should be basically given to the people on the basis of the its culture, on the basis of its understanding the community and group basicity. That is how the different group have a different understanding of the this concept of the primary goods. So this is what the community identity or the complex equality. What do you mean by the simple equality? Simple equality is the support the idea of individual identity, that it believe in the concept of universal principle. Believe in the concept of universal principle. Believe in the concept of universal principle, that a single or a standard principle will be applicable for the distribution of the good, service, and the concept of right income to all the people, irrespective of any kind of culture, any kind of race, any kind of community, whatever may be the concept, the perspectives. There will be universal application, and this standard will be applicable for the distribution. And they emphasize the individual, they emphasize the identity rather than the group or the community. For them, individual is important. For them, and individual is end. Okay, individual is end. That it, and the if I talk about the basically the rights for the complex equality, the individual is not end, it is the community's end, and community will going to determine what is the right, liberty will people get. So this is what the difference between complex equality versus the simple equality. Simple equality is like John Rawls principle of the liberty principle, and the difference principle comes under the simple equality. That is how universal principle applicable to all. Then on the other hand, the complex equality or community and theory of justice talk about the community interest or group interest. So this is what the difference between the complex equality versus simple equality. And another concept that you have to remember, the Michael Walzer wrote a book, Sphere of Justice. Sphere of Justice. So Sphere of Justice 19, basically I would say 82, okay, 1982, wrote a book, Sphere of Justice. You can check a year also here. So Sphere of Justice, he talk about justice will be determined as per the different sphere of the community, different perspectives of the community, different understanding of the culture of the good of the different community. So this is what the microculture. So this is what the concept of the complex equality, sphere of justice, simple equality, and all about the things. So this is all about from my side for this small effort. And if you like my effort, do share, do subscribe, and do press the bell icon, that you will not miss such kind of research video. And do share with your friend, because sharing is always caring. Thank you guys, have a nice day.